Daehyun Tech presents advanced drainage solutions designed for modern, sustainable construction. Our patented triple blocking structure ensures complete protection against odor insects and backflow. We would like to introduce 3 key strengths of home drain. Strength 1. Our patented triple blocking structure ensures complete protection against odor insects and backflow. Drainage and ventilation work in sync to maintain balanced pressure and clean airflow. An integrated drainage and ventilation system delivers cost reduction, active flow control, flexible installation, and easy maintenance. The black check valve blocks backflow and odor in both horizontal and vertical drainage. The vent drain replaces multiple vent pipes with one system to balance airflow, simplify plumbing, and reduce installation costs. Strength 2. Modular design simplifies construction while cutting costs, reducing material use and installation time by up to 40%. Strength 3. Certified technology and patented systems deliver reliable performance, aligned with ESG principles and future building standards for global construction and infrastructure projects. The black check valve prevents backflow with a simple, secure installation for reliable drainage control. Vent drain is designed for easy access, enabling simple maintenance and long-term convenience. The vent drain system ensures efficient airflow and drainage through a well-structured, space-saving installation. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us